Here is a tip if you're working with a senior to declutter. My mom died on August 9th in 2021. So December 2020 was her last Christmas. And my mom loved Christmas, was just decorate the house. She was like a kid every Christmas. It was really wonderful. And when God love her caregiver, Hannah, when she was packing up Christmas, she really spent a time telling Hannah about each ornament, or she'd reflect upon it. Like, for instance, they got, I think it was 99 cents, but back in the 60s, that was some money. This angel that came from Hecht's department store, I don't think they're around anymore, that was at the top of the tree. And so my mom was just reminiscing about every item. If you have the time, I'm going to encourage you to allow your senior to share stories. In my mom's case, it really was an emotional decluttering, an emotional release, a grief, if you will, a saying goodbye. And so if you have the time, let the senior speak, let them tell that story. A lot of times that process will make it easier for them to let things go. And if they're downsizing, for instance, moving into assisted living place, that's a big change. And you have all your independence, and all of a sudden, that's things are going on like that, and that can be really challenging. So if you have the time, I'm going to encourage you, allow them to spend the time recalling where they got the item, how it meant something to them, because it can really be a good part of the decluttering process, and it can make things easier. It can make them more willing to let things go if they're allowed to tell their story. So have you ever spent time telling a story when you've been decluttering? Let me know. When you clear your clutter, you can create the life and space you choose, deserve, and desire.